Moving from AOBRD to ELD, 6 critical questions to ask. Number 1. Do I need to switch out my AOBRD hardware? If your existing AOBRD hardware can't meet the technical requirements for the ELD mandate, your existing hardware may need to be replaced. You may also need to think about new cables that allow your ELD to extend outside the cab to reach enforcement. Number 2. How are installation costs handled? If replacement hardware is required, ask your vendor who will be covering the installations, including time frame for installation and associated costs. Number 3. How will the installation process be managed? Ask your vendor if your vehicles will need to go out of service, and for how long, in order to remove current hardware and install new ELDs. Number 4. How will your existing AOBRD data be extracted? Find out if your historical AOBRD data can be migrated to the new solution, or if you will need to export it to a hard drive and save it in a safe place for audits. Number 5. How much training is needed for drivers and back office staff? Be sure you give enough time for both drivers and administrative staff to learn the new system, including capturing logs correctly and pulling reports. Number 6. What are your integration requirements? If the AOBRD system had integrations to other business systems, be sure you know how they will function with your new ELD. Do you want more information on how to transition from AOBRD to ELD? Contact one of our eRoad ELD specialists. eRoad, we're here to help.